All right, now that we have our wrapping paper down, we're gonna get some bubble wrap. And we're gonna do the same thing. All right, now we're just gonna cut this off and wrap this piece of bubble wrap. And just wrap the end to have a nice edge. Just like that. I'm not worried about the back side of it. I'm gonna fold that. We're gonna do this on each end. And don't forget to tape down the middle on the back, all the way down your strip. All right, guys, this is what you're looking for. And I'm 5'8", so this is how long it is. You know, this is girl math here. Just stretch out. This is exactly what you need. We need 2 of these and 1 about a foot shorter. All right, guys, so we got our 3 panels done. And as you can see, my little girl math, I did a foot closer on 1. And now it's time to put all of these together. This one, we want to do the best side up. Then we're taking the other long piece and we're going to set it right on top of that, but do the bad side up. All right, now we're going to take our ends and we're going to meet in the center. Grab this side and bring it to the center, just like that. Make sure you've got it equal on each side. And then we're going to place it right in the center of our one here. Next, we're going to get our smaller one. And we're going to do the same thing. Bring our ends and meet in the center. And we're going to put it right on top of that one, just like that. Now that we have them all nice and centered, I'm just going to get my stapler and I'm going to staple them all together. Just like this. And hold it together. So that gives us a nice holding pattern. We're just going to take and we're going to kind of crunch it up together like this in the middle. Just like that. And I've got a big zip tie. I'm just going to take and zip tie the whole bunch together. As tight as I can. Just be careful you don't rip your paper. All right, now that we have that, now we're going to take and just kind of fluff this up just like that. And then do the same here. Like that. All right, guys, we're looking great. Now it's time to go put it up. Now we're just going to take a command hook and pop it right here on the corner of our door. All right, I'm taking another zip tie and I'm just doing a smaller loop just like this so it'll make it easier to hang. Now that that's done, it's time to put this up. Just like that. Now we're just gonna kind of fluff our tails a little bit and I'm gonna thumbtack it right there into our wall. I don't mind doing that, but you can always use double-sided tape for however you want. How's that go? And then you just wanna fluff your bow here. Going that way. Now we're gonna go down our window here. All right, we just put another thumbtack here. And then here we go, guys. Look how cute this looks, and now we just got one more thing to add. A little tag. All right, guys, there you go. Merry Christmas from me to you.